Yo, what is up guys? KGB here. And as you can see from behind me, you guys have missed a lot. We haven't been here in a while. So let's get the recap started. So as you guys can see, we've got the engine out of the car now. There's no more engine. It is all gone. And then if we make our way over here, these seats are out of the car. As you can see, the seats are out of the car. We cleaned up the dash and cleaned the floors and everything. So now we're gonna head back inside the garage and we're gonna start working on the engine teardown. So I'm just going to be setting it on here for now, and I'm going to be working on it off of this. I know it's probably going to be a little bit harder on this than it will be on an engine mount, but I got to do what I got to do. So let's get started.
Like I said, keep coming along, and then you got. Go ahead, Mike. Come on in.
So as you guys can see right here, we've got the engine inside of the garage now. It's a lot smaller than I thought the engine would be, but now that we've gotten in here, we're going to start on the teardown. So as you guys can see right here, we are focusing on taking the last bit of the engine harness off. So as you guys can see right here, we had a little bit of a spill that we had to clean up, but we got that all clean. So guys, I just realized, in the middle of me editing this video, I realized that I forgot to record an outro. So I noticed today's video was a little bit short, but my camera did end up dying midway through, so I just ended up finishing up for the day right then and there. But I hope you guys liked today's video, and I hope you guys can like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Just like